Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here! Welcome back for another highlight! Ayan. Just ate my lunch and alam nyo na kung ano yon. And it is no other than, syempre, McDonald's since there's a new Happy Meal toys. Yan. Oh, may name ko pa, Leonardo. Yan. So, kakabili ko lang via McDelivery app. And syempre, complete toys tayo. Complete set. Yan. And it is no other than the Tom and Jerry. Yan. So we're going to unbox total of 8 toys. That's the worldwide set release. I think sa first release to sa Japan. And second is, I think sa atin. But I'm not pretty sure yet. Pero yon. Basta ito, we're going to unbox this one. And nakatawa, sa plastic na naman siya ngayon. Hindi siya nakalagay sa box. But unfortunately, the meaning of this one is that wala siya nung QR code na may game siya. So, ayun lang. So, okay. So, let's start. By the way, they just released this one since they're celebrating the 85 years of Tom and Jerry. Yan. So, okay. So, let's start with Jerry and Toffee Muscle House game. Okay. So, I'll just unbox this one. Okay, and show you how to play this game. So, better close-up look tayo ha. Wait lang. Okay, so here's the first toy. Yan. So, here's the closer look ng packaging nila. So, it's like, wait, para siyang disc launcher. Then, isushoot mo siya dun sa mousetrap. Ayun, dito. Yan, nice, diba? So, para siyang football, diba? So, wait, let's check the It comes with 2 discs, yan. Here's Jerry, here's Toffee, and here's, of course, Tom. Yan. And let's see, yon. So, may sticker siya. Okay. Yung maganda dito kay Tom, hindi siya sticker, so printed siya. Unlike kay Toffee and Jerry, sticker. But, it's okay pa rin naman. Wag lang mababasa. And ito yung dito nyo sa i-insert si Tom. So, let's just put the stickers muna. So, wait. Okay. So, 2 parts. And ito yung other designs. Check natin kung saan siya ilalagay later on. Okay? Wait. So, that's it. We're done. And actually, may natirang stickers. Yan. So, lamp. Pwede siyang, yun, magkatabi. Or sa gitna, pwede rin to. But, yun, may cheese rin dito. So, I just followed kasi yung what is presented here on the packaging kasi. So, yan. Medyo OC lang tayo. Kaya medyo matagal din. And gumagamit na ako ng tweezers para hindi tabingi. At makuha natin na maayos. So, yan. So, how would you play this one? Okay. So, sabi nga natin, wait, ayusin natin yung camera. Yan. Okay. So, let's first insert Tom here. Okay. Oops, baliktad ata. Tama ba? Hindi, tama nga. So, and then, after that, wala kasi siyang mechanism actually, hollow lang yung ilalim niya. So, let's check again. The instructions, 1, 2, insert at the bottom part, and 3. Medyo hindi siya clear. Wait. Okay, clear na siya. Then, insert lang si one of the discs, yan. So, pag nag-clip siya, yan, dapat ganito siya. Once nag-clip, then push the back part. Then, dapat pumasok dun sa trap or sa arc. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Bitin. So, next one. So, magtutulungan sila. So, again, push this one. Yun. So, medyo mahigpit. Di lang siya yung same launcher na may So, just push Tom down, then insert Jerry or this one. And other one. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Okay. So, ganun siya. So, papasukan natin si Jerry. In 1, 2, 3. Boom. Nice. Diba? Okay. So, that's how would you play this Jerry and Toffee mouse hole game. Okay. It's neat. It's fun. Diba? Diba? So, it's kinda, same with the other toys, diba? Yung may launcher. But, naiba lang yung talagang ilalim kasi hollow. Sanay kasi ako yung may button eh. So, ito talagang manual siya. Na-insert mo manually here. Yan. So, push down, then push. Yan. Diba? So, and again, push. Diba? Ganun po siya. Okay? Yay! So, we're down with the first one. So, here you go! Here's Jerry and Toffee Mousetrap House. Yan. Tama ba? Mousetrap. Sorry, mouse hole game. Yan. Jerry and Toffee mouse hole game. That's the first one. So, medyo simple lang siya this time. Yan, diba? So, what do you think, highlighters? Kindly comment down below. So, we're down with the first one. Yan. So, dito natin ilagay. Sige, sa side lang. Second one. Oops, nalaglag. Yung mouse hole. Second one. Woo. Yan. Oh, may stickers again. So, here's Tom and Jerry wobbling cart. Yes. It's Tom and Jerry wobbling cart. Cool. Let's try opening this one. Yan. So, it comes with the sticker again. Then, uy, nice. So, may 85 beers sa cart niya. Then, Tom and Jerry. Yes, yan. And some stickers. So, closer look. And, pero pakita natin yung gimmick kung paano siya nilalaro. So, once na pinupush natin, yun, nag-up and down si Tom. Nice, diba? Tama dito. Cute. Diba? And by the way, hindi ko napakita pala. So, let's try this one. And 1, 2, 3. Yun, pumasok. Yes, si Jerry. 1, 2, 3. Yung nayaw yan. So, need nyo kasi ng malakas na push para tumalsik rin siya. Okay? So, tara. Let's go with the second toy. Yan. Diba? Wait, closer look muna ng packaging. Yan. So, Tom and Jerry wobbling cart. Yun. Up and down si Tom pag pinush mo. So, what's great about this one is that may Tom and Jerry 85 beers, diba? And, syempre, may stickers. Yan. So, may instruction by the way sa likod. Yan. And again, we're using some tweezers. Oops. Para if ever, hindi natin ma-misplace kung saan ilalagay. Okay. So, like this one naman, pare-pares yung tires. So, anywhere naman na siya. But, better follow the instruction again. Diba? So, wait. I'll just put the stickers lang. Actually, medyo OC ako sa stickers. Ayoko nang tabingi. Okay, one down. Okay, so we're done. Yan. So, Tom is sitting on a bed of cheese. Yan, then ito yung wheels niya. Fake wheels actually, since may alternative wheel here. Then here's, tawag dito, Jerry. Parang pinupull niya si Tom, diba? Then parang they're like playing around. Cute, diba? Oh. Oh, nag-wobble siya actually once na hinihila mo. Cute. Yan na sila. So once again, here's Tom and Jerry wobbling cart. Yan, nice naman din siya. Ang simple ng gimmick, no? But cute pa rin naman. So let's start with the third one. Yan. So next up, here's Tom in spinning bathtub. Yan. Diba? So, okay. So, dito na lang tayo. So, wala na siyang stickers. So, ito na lang siya. So, how would you play this one? 1, 2, and 3. So, umiikot daw siya doon. So siguro iikot, no? Okay. So, let's see, Let's see. Wait. Let's open this one. So, it comes with two parts. The base or the water. Yan. So, ito yung water niya. Water siya. Then, here's Tom. Yan. Enjoying his bathtub. So, okay. So, this is how would you play this one. Ikot daw siya. Hindi kasi dati kasi ginagano mo siya. Ikot. Tapos gano'n. Yun. So, ganito lang siya. Yun. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3. Tama. Ganun lang siya, oh. Nakalagay dito kasi spin nyo lang siya. So, pwedeng dito, outside the platform base. Yun. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Or, para if ever, hindi siya pupunta kung san-san or mag-wobble, pwede siyang inside of the platform base. Then, ikot nyo siya. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Oops. Yan. O, diba? Nice. Tapa, closer look naman. 1, 2, 3. Tapa, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay. So, once again, here's... Wait, nakalimutan ko yung name. Here's Tom in spinning bathtub. Yan. We're done with the third one. Fourth one. Oops. Same. No, it's not the same, but si Jerry naman siya. Here's Jerry in spinning teacup naman. So, same. Same siya with Tom. But si Jerry naman, yung daga, is nasa spinning cup. Yan. Teacup. Nice. So, mas mabigat si si Jerry. So, nice, Wait. Kanta ka sa inyo. So, here's a closer look of the saucer. Saucer siya. Yan. So, kanina kasi is, water lang. Ang cute to. May, Tom and Jerry. Tapos, may cheese. Then, Then, yung mga pamukpok, hammer, and then the like. Then, here's Jerry. May Tom and Jerry din. 85 years. Ang cute ni Jerry, Diba? Yan. Then, yan. So, again, pwede din siyang laruin outside the base. Yan. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Or, again, pwede siyang nasa platform. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Same lang siya. Ganun lang. Hindi siya yung, yung may ripcord na pag hinila mo, ikot siya na mabilis. So, yun. So, neat lang siya. Nice to display with. Pag nasa desk nyo, so wala kayong magawa, ikot-ikot nyo lang siya parehas. So, yun lang siya. Oops, yan. So, kung pwede siyang interchange, no. Pwede naman, pero dito like masikip siya. So, hindi. Yan. Okay. So, closer look. See, Jerry. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Nice naman, no? Neat siya. Yan. Again, here's Jerry spinning teacup. In spinning teacup. Tama? In spinning teacup. Yes. Yan. Okay. Nakalagay. Okay. So, we're done with the 4 toys. Fifth one. Wait, pakita ko lang But I'll not open this one since I want to preserve the paper kasi. So, yan. By the way, bukod sa toys, they're releasing, this is by the way the 3rd edition of the Little People Big Dreams 2025 book edition. Ito si Mindy Kaling. Si Mindy Kaling siya. Then, 3rd one na to, kasi mayroon na release kay Sonic and yung Sonic is in color violet, then may green pa prior Sonic. So, this is the 3rd one. So, you could choose a book or a toy. So, yan. Okay. So, hindi na tayo mag-story time this time. So, let's proceed again with the toys. Okay? Yan. Just FYI lang dito na meron ganito. Actually, ang dami na na-release na ganito. Pati na lost count ako. Kaya, yun. Anyway, let's proceed with the 5th one. So, last 3. Yan. Here's Tom Wobbling Hoopla. Yan. Okay. By the way, if ever, kindly let me know if you have any favor in the next future what do you call that? Future videos or vlogs, yan. So, which is the better view? Kindly comment down below lang. Yan, hopefully, yan, naka-receive ako ng mga feedbacks and then like suggestions, yan. And okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 base, yan. Okay. So, wait, pakita lang natin yung closer look, ha? So, yan. Wait. Before that, hindi pala natin napakita yung dito. Yan. So, here's Tom spinning in spinning bathtub. So, yan. And ito yung water nyo. Diba? So, diba? Simple lang talaga siya. And here's Jerry. Yan ang nice. So, may 85th year. Then, Tom and Jerry. Yan yung ano niya. Then, yan. Spinning Jerry. Cute. Diba? So, let's proceed na again with the toy. Number 5. So, yan. Here's again, Tom wobbling hoopla. So, it comes with 3. Yan. 3 hoops ba tawag dito? Yan. So, here's, I think this is, Toffee, Jerry, and Tom. Yan. Then, here's the base. Oops, nakuha. Yan. And, yun, 3 parts. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Tama. So, insert here. Wait, let's see kung tama. Or dito ba? Hindi. Tama, dito. Yun. Then, yan. So, paano siya nag-wobble? Parang stable naman din siya. But, at least, siguro pag nahagis natin yung hoops, then here's Tom. Uy, may ano siya sa paint chip siya. Yan. Anyway, yan. So, here you go. Flat lang siya na, pero 3D. Then, insert here, si Tom. Yan. Then, tara. Let's play this one. Okay. Yan. So, spinning din siya, oh. So, you could, play this one. Yan, difficulty level 3 na to. So, yan. So, pwede siyang here. Yan, dito na lang. Then, yan, here's Toffee. Oops! Tumagpas. Here's Tom. Oops, di pumasok. And here's Jerry. Yon. So, yan, you could play with your friends, diba? And challenge them. Sino pinakamadaming ma-shoot. Then, yan, try natin. Oops, nalaglag na naman. Wait, I'll just get that toy as hoops. So, yan. Nalaglag kasi somewhere. So, yan. Oops! Yun siya. Hindi kasi siya nagbabalance, kaya wobble siya. Uy, pinakamahirap actually si Toffee kasi maliit yung hole niya. Yun. So, that's how would you play this one. And syempre, difficulty level, pwede nyo siyang iikot. Yan. While trying to, oops, diba? Again, let's try kung oops, yan. Sobrahan. Yung ano lang. And difficulty level 3. Ayaw! Yun, 1, 2, and 3. Again, yan. So, this is how would you play. May anong name ulit, Tom wobbling hoopla. So, yan. Cute naman. Nice, diba? Yan. Okay, hindi nakikita ba siya lahat? Yes. So, we're down with the last 1, 2, 3 pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 3 pa. So, here's the third one. Here's Tom and Jerry Tower of Cushions. Yan. So, parang balancing game din siya. So, let's try. Oh, may stickers na naman. Cushion, but plastic, ha? Not the soft cushion. So, okay. So, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 cushions. Then, here's Tom. Yan. Nice, oh. Natutulog siya. Then, here's Jerry. May pamukpok. Then, wait. Nilipad yung sticker. I'll just check. Ha, wait lang. I just check. Yan, sa floor namin. Wala namang stickers. Nakalagay kasi dito inclusive of stickers. But wala naman siya. But, highlighters, kindly comment down below ha. Baka may stickers nga, baka linilipad lang or wala lang siya on the packaging. But anyway, yan. So it comes with this one. So how would you play this one? So wait, check natin. So insert na muna natin si Sleeping Tom here. Actually, hindi kasi siya sticker eh. Oh. Printed siya. Ang ganda nga oh. Sana nga printed na lang lahat. Then here's Jerry with baseball bat. Baka yung sticker say baseball bat, no? What do you think? Anyway, then, yan. So, how do you play this one? Is let's stack this together. Then, last part, si Tom. So, wait. So, you're going to smack the, okay. So, you're going to smack the pillow by using Jerry. And dapat hindi malalaglag si Tom. Yan. So, medyo mahirap siya. So, balancing act. 1, 2, 3. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Ganon. Kita nyo. Ganon niya siya. Parang ipapaluin niya siya. Ganon. Yan. So, kanya-kanya tayong strategy. Dapat, yan. So, take turns kayo ng kalaban nyo or kalaro. So, again, ayusin natin. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Ayan. Oh, nalaglag na yung other. Nalaglag yung iba, but ayan, na trying with other pillow. Let's try again. Yan. Siyempre, hindi nyo na dapat pwedeng ayusin yan. So, siyempre, next player na tayo. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Talo tayo kasi nalaglag si Tom. So, other player again. So, yan. Okay. So, this is how would you play this one again. Uy, nag-enjoy ako dito Wait, another one. Medyo bago siya. Para siyang level 2, level 3 ng anong tawag doon yung nag-balancing ng wood, yung kinukuha dahan-dahan. Jenga, yun. Again, 1, 2, 3. Oops, talo. Isa pa. Try natin kung hanggang matira si Kasi, ang point kasi nun, para hindi magising si Tom. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Ang hirap. Yan. Isa pa. Nag-enjoy ako dito. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Oops! So ba, last, promise. Last na to. Last. Yan. Again. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Wait, nalaglag siya. So ba yan? So, mahirap na to. So, ayusin natin to. Yan. Tang natin, di ba yan? Kinuha ko lang. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Yan, nakawag ka sa lang. Oh, yun. So, dapat malakas siya. Dapat last one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we won. Na may konting daya. Kasi inayos natin on the second part, di ba? So, yun. So, this is how would you play Tom and Jerry Tower of Cushions. Wait, I have one of my favorite na. Yan. Kala ko ito yung pinaka medyo hindi siya fun laruin. Pero dito ako nag-enjoy. Nice, oh. Wait, dito natin talaga. Yan. Okay. So, nice. Pero yun nga, hindi ko alam kung may sticker siyang kasama. So, kindly comment down below. Baka lang sa akin yung wala or hindi lang nasama. Yan. Ha? So, second to the last, here's Running Jerry. Yan. Running Jerry. So, medyo oldies but goodies na yung action or gimmick nitong toy na to. Since, actually 90s or early 2000, I remember sa KFC Toys, may ganito Yung 3D figure pa yun actually. Then, pero maganda actually kasi talagang printed yung sticker ni Jerry. Hindi siya yung sticker, which is great, 'di ba? So yan. So itutulak niyo lang siya. O yun. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Well, it's nice. Kasi hindi naglalagyan kahit itumba niyo si Jerry, nag-balance siya, 'di ba? So nice pa din. So, sa mga first-timer na makakita ng ganitong toy, it's nice. But like me kasi, medyo, yan, diba? So, pwede yung, yan. Kahit anong gawin yun, hindi talaga siya malalaglag. Yan. Diba? Kahit back and forth. Yan. So, sana ito yung dalawang part. Oh, cute. Sana ito yung dalawa, no? Isa si Tom, isa si Jerry sana. Kasi ginawa na lang yung itong, no? Yung mga spinning, no? Sana ito na lang. Which is cute, parang naghahabulan sila kunyari. Yan, cute. Nice naman din laruin. Uy, mas natuwa ako sa mga hindi ko expected. So, yan. Here's Jerry. Wait, I forgot the name. Running Jerry. Yan. And of course, last but not the least, yan. Stickers again. Yan. Here's Jerry in sports car. Yan. Let's check. What is this one? Yan. Oh, may stickers na naman. Uy, nice. Ayan. So, ito yung plain niya. Jerry with in sports car. So, check. Ah, okay. Sige, wait. Let's just put the stickers first before we play the toy. Okay? So, let's start. Dito na lang, sige. By the way, ito yung stickers niya and the instructions. Yan. Hindi ko na isi-change yung camera. Yeah. First one, done. Second one, ito. Yung 2. So, paano ba to? Nakatayo yung ilaw or ano? Wait, let's try. Last na yon. So, ito muna. Next one sa likod. So, it's fun din, no? While sticking the stickers. But like me, nakaka-OC siya kasi ayoko nang hindi pantay. So, yan. Kaya I bought some tweezers para sa mga maliliit. Medyo ma-reach out siya. Okay. And like dun sa light, medyo hindi mo siya alam kung paano pattern gagawin. And last sticker, the Tom and Jerry 85 beers. Yan. So, sa gitna siya ilalagay. Ang cute, oh. Pinakikita niyo ba? So, wait. So, in the middle, wait, natin gamitan ng tweezers. Yan. So, we're done. Wait, pakita natin yung closer look. So, yan. After sticking the stickers, so yan. Mas maganda siya ngayon. Hindi siya plain yellow. Diba? So, nice. So, ang detailed niya. Cute. Sana mas dalawa sa nga sila, no? But, it's nice pa rin naman. Yan. So, the gimmick of this one is that once you rotate Jerry, yung wheels niya, yan, pwedeng left, pwedeng center, pwedeng right, yan. Ganun siya. Okay? So, first muna sa gitna, yan. So, tulak lang siya. Tinutulak lang, oh. Yan. Tulak lang siya ganun. But, pagka tinurn natin on the right, yan. Yun. Alam niyo na. Ganun siya. And on the left, or on the right, yan, baka kasi left po siya. Baka sa video kasi right yan. 1, 2, 3. O yan, nagka-turn siya on. Yan, nag-U-turn si Jerry. So, ganda sana kung pull back to, no? Mas nagano talaga ngayon, no? McDonald's, ba't kayo nagtipid? Kasi dati talaga yung mga 90s, early 2000 na toys, may mga pull back features siya. So, hindi siya yung talagang tulak-tulak lang na mano-mano like this one. Diba? But it's nice. This is nice to play with. Mas ma-enjoy ng mga kids. But for me, yan, mas nag-enjoy ako kung alam niya na kung saan. So, yan. This is the total of 8, yan, Tom and Jerry 85 beers toys from McDonald's. Yan. Okay. Wait, nakikita ba lahat? Wait, ayusin natin pa. Oops! Wait, nag-lag. Sorry. So, yan. Nice. So, ito lang din makita si Jerry. Yan. So, ganyan na lang. Okay. So, that's it. Siyempre, before we end this video, I would going to ask you first, which one is your favorite among all 8 Tom and Jerry toys? Yan. For me, sige, ako muna again. For me, one of the coolest one here is sa toy is yung sports car. Sports car ba tama? Wait, nakalimutan ko. Kamali na tuloy ako. Kita, I'll just check. Hello. Taas pala. Di pa. Wait, I'll check the name. Sports car ba? Hala, nawala yung plastic packaging. Actually, I'm keeping kasi the plastic packaging para if ever in-store ko siya sa box, hindi siya magkakagasgas yan. So, tama, Jerry in Sports Car. Yan. 'Di ba? One of the coolest and nice toy. And actually, ang neat rin nito. 'Di ba? And nice naman to play with rin to, 'di ba? And ito lalo na to. Nag-enjoy ako dito. Kahit na akala ko hindi ako mag-enjoy. Actually, this is my second. Sige, I'll choose 3. Sige. So, my third favorite would be itong car. Second would be ito. Yung running Jerry. Cute naman siya. And my first, of course, is the yan. Mas natuwa ako dito talaga, yung cushion. Wherein, pag chinecheck nyo kasi siya sa, sa tawag dito, tama ba ng name? Tom and Jerry Tower of Cushions. Sa display, mukhang hindi siya appetizing or medyo nice to collect, diba? But if you play with this toy, ang nice niya, diba? So, mas nakaka-enjoy siya. Try nga ulit natin. Isa lang 1, 2, 3. Oh, nalaglag nga lang. Pero nakuha natin yung other one. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Oh, natalo. Nagising siya. So, yan. Diba, ang nice nitong toy na to. I love this toy. Yan. So, this is one of my favorite toy among the set. Yan. Kayo highlighters, which one is your favorite? Among all 8 toys. Yan. Kindly comment down below. Yan. So, that's it for now, highlighters. By the way, if you're wondering or asking when is the Jurassic World Chaos Theory will be released here in the Philippines, I'm not pretty sure yet since I have no update pa. Yan. And if you want to meet fellow collectors ng Happy Meal, you may opt to follow Happy Meal Toys PH on Facebook group. Yan. Okay. So, see you there. Okay? So, yan. So, that's it. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And again, hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!